Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Trade of the Week. The market was almost so volatile that we almost could not take this trade. Let me show you. Just before the new home sales report, the market had traded or had responded to the flash manufacturing report, and it was tremendously volatile. It made the market move and test the low on gold. It was a really big move, and we felt that when we got to new home sales, the market might be too active to take the trade safely. New home sales was 10 o'clock. We were testing our brackets. Over here we have certain things that we do to make sure the market is safe so we could trade it properly. We got ready for new homes. I'm fast forwarding through our recording. You could see, look at the way the market was moving before the news. It dropped all those points and it went up 50%. It was very, very active. And then we got right before the new homes report. I looked at the market. It started slowing down a little bit. And I said to everyone in the trade room, let's take the trade. I'm going to trade new homes. I did it in my Top Step account, which is now profitable. And here we go. The bracket's going to show up. The news comes out. It pushes the price up, which is probably a good thing because gold was trending up. It hits my first target. The stop automatically moves to safety. Watch what happens. It's going to go up a little bit further up. It's going to hit my second target. Oh, I brought it down a little bit. That's okay. Boom. There it goes. $220 profit, new home sales. A great trade in our Top Step account. You can trade news with prop accounts. New home sales, the trade of the week. It was almost too risky and too volatile to take the trade, but our experience showed us that we could do it if we check to make sure that our brackets are safe. That's what we do before every trade. New home sales, trade of the week. Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Why don't you come into the trade room so you could trade with us next week's Trade of the Week. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the trade room.